If you want to create a sleeve donut chart looking something like this is how you do it. First, you select cell D2 and D3 like this. Then you go to Insert. Under Charts, there's this pie chart here. Click on the pull down menu and click on Donuts here. Now, we'll just get rid of our titles and our legend as well. And then I'll size it nicely so that it fits somewhere right under the table like this. The next thing I'm going to do is basically select the chart again like this. Make sure you select it like that. Then you go Format. Under this shape style, click on Shape Fill here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the fill on that chart and basically try to get rid of the border by clicking on Format, Shape Style, Shape Outline, and No Outline like this. So what this creates, it looks like just the donut chart like this. Next, you're going to right click on the orange section of this donut chart here and go Format Data Series. You have a menu on the far right hand corner here. Click on Line and Fill. Under the fill, you're going to click on Solid Fill and basically fill that up with some sort of a gray color like that. Next, you're going to click on that previously blue section here like this, and we're going to change that color to say green now. I'm going to select this green, and on the border, I'm going to select the color to be the same green color looking like that. Now we're going to change the width of this from 1.5 points to 8 points and hit enter. And now you can see that your donut chart looks like a sleeve donut.